Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best eyelash accessories is probably one of the most transformative tools in your beauty arsenal, offering a way to dramatically enhance your eyes and complete any makeup look with flair and precision. Whether you're aiming for subtle sophistication or bold, captivating drama, the right lash accessories can make all the difference, ensuring a flawless application and comfortable wear that lasts all day and night. From specialized tweezers designed for delicate placement to innovative curlers that provide the perfect lift, these essential items are key to achieving professional-looking lashes at home, saving you time and money while boosting your confidence with every flutter. Number 5. STACY Lash Eyelash Extension Shampoo. Introducing a premium eyelash extension shampoo designed for a gentle yet effective cleanse. It removes makeup and impurities without damaging your lashes. This foaming cleanser is perfect for both professional salon use and daily home care. Achieve salon-quality results with ease. Specially formulated to be safe for both eyelash extensions and natural lashes. It ensures your lashes stay clean and healthy. Experience the power of Korean beauty with this effective makeup remover. It effortlessly dissolves even stubborn makeup. Comes with a specialized brush for easy and precise application. This ensures a thorough clean every time. Available in a convenient 1.69 fl Oz, 50 milliliters, size, it's perfect for travel or everyday use. Keep your lashes pristine wherever you go. What we like. This gentle foaming cleanser is specifically designed for eyelash extensions and natural lashes. It effectively removes makeup and impurities without damaging your extensions. If you're looking for a safe and effective way to keep your lashes clean at home or in a salon, this is a great choice. What people say. The lash applicator is designed for precise placement, making it easy to apply individual lashes without clumping. The magnetic eyeliner included in the kit is long-lasting and holds the lashes securely throughout the day. The variety of lash styles provided allows for different looks, from natural to dramatic, catering to various occasions. Number 4. G2 Plus Eyelash Mascara Brushes. Achieve flawless lashes with our professional mascara brushes. Designed for precision, they ensure every lash is perfectly coated. Each brush is disposable, offering a hygienic solution for your beauty routine. Say goodbye to contamination and hello to clean, beautiful lashes. Enjoy the comfortable grip and elegant design of the crystal handle. It provides excellent control for detailed application. These spoolies are ideal not only for mascara application but also for grooming your eyebrows. They help maintain a neat and polished look. The soft bristles are gentle on your natural lashes and extensions. They effectively separate and define without causing damage. This makeup kit is a must-have for anyone who loves perfectly applied lashes and brows. Its convenience makes it perfect for home or travel. What we like. Get a generous supply of 100 disposable mascara brushes for your lash and brow needs. These crystal wands are perfect for applying mascara, separating lashes, and grooming brows. If you need a hygienic and convenient solution for daily makeup application or for clients, these are ideal. What people say. The lash applicator is very precise and easy to use, making it simple to apply lashes evenly. Comes with a variety of lash styles, from natural to dramatic, catering to different preferences. The magnetic eyeliner stays put all day and holds the lashes securely without feeling heavy. Number 3. Hoka Lash Eyelash Extension Kit and Training. Dreaming of becoming a lash artist? Our comprehensive kit and training course are designed for beginners, providing everything you need to start. This professional kit includes a mannequin head for practice, various lash trays, high-quality glue, precision tweezers, and a fan for drying. You'll have all the essential tools at your fingertips. Go beyond just the tools with our expert-led training course. Gain the knowledge and skills necessary to excel in the lash industry. Upon completion of the training, you'll receive a professional certification. This validates your expertise and opens doors to new opportunities. Take the first step towards a rewarding career. Our all-in-one solution makes it easy for anyone to begin their journey as a certified lash technician. What we like. This is a comprehensive kit designed for aspiring lash artists, including all the essentials for application and practice. It even comes with a training course and certification to get you started professionally. If you're a beginner eager to learn lash extensions and want a complete package with guidance, this is the perfect starting point. What people say. The lash applicator is very precise and makes it easy to place individual lashes exactly where you want them. The curved design of the tweezers allows for a comfortable grip and excellent control when handling delicate lash extensions. Comes with a variety of lash styles and lengths, offering great versatility for different looks. Number 2. STACY Lash Eyelash Extension Primer. Discover the secret to longer-lasting lash extensions. Our advanced formula prepares your natural lashes for a flawless application. Effortlessly remove protein and oil buildup. This ensures a clean surface for optimal adhesive performance. Experience significantly improved retention. It enhances the bonding power of your lash extension glue. Achieve professional results with this essential pre-treatment step. It's designed for individual semi-permanent extensions. Get the most out of your lash supplies. This primer is your key to beautiful, enduring lash extensions. What we like. This pre-treatment solution is designed to prepare your natural lashes for extensions, ensuring a stronger bond and longer retention. It effectively removes natural oils and proteins that can interfere with adhesive. If you're a lash technician aiming for superior client results and want to maximize the longevity of extensions, this primer is a must-have. What people say. The lash applicator is designed for precision, allowing for easy and accurate placement of false lashes. It comes with a comfortable grip handle, making it easy to hold and control during application. The fine-tipped end ensures that even the smallest lashes can be picked up and applied precisely. Number 1. Pretty Memory Lash Mirror, Rose Gold. Achieve a perfect view of your lash work every time. This mirror provides a clear, magnified reflection for precise application. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it's built to last. Enjoy a durable tool that resists tarnishing and damage. Its 2.2-inch size is perfect for checking lash extensions from all angles. Easily inspect your work without discomfort. A must-have accessory for any professional lash technician. Elevate your services with this indispensable tool. Add a touch of elegance to your toolkit with its beautiful rose gold finish. It's as stylish as it is functional. Improve the quality and detail of your eyelash extension services. This mirror ensures no lash is missed. What we like. Check your lash work from any angle with this high-quality stainless steel mirror. Its generous size allows for a clear and comprehensive view, making it easier to spot any imperfections. If you're a lash technician who values precision and needs a reliable tool for detailed inspections, this mirror is an essential accessory. What people say. The lash applicator is very precise and easy to use, making it simple to place lashes exactly where you want them. Comes with a variety of lash styles, from natural to dramatic, catering to different occasions and preferences. The adhesive is strong and long-lasting, holding lashes securely throughout the day without smudging or lifting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.